Okay, so I am excited. This is a first. We're about to, together, you and I, we're about to open Microsoft's first ever laptop. We've got it right here. It's the Microsoft Surface Book. We're going to open it together. Oh, it's magnificent. All right, so what we've got here is some very smart packaging. It also, quite honestly, reminds me a tiny bit of Apple MacBook packaging. It's all clean lines, plastic covering the device, 13 inches of magnesium, a redesigned Surface Pen. So that's pretty nice. Not a lot to read. One thing that everybody should start shipping with their products are magnifying glasses. I mean, look at the size of that text. It's ridiculous. Power cord right there. Little magnet, piece of cake. Open it up. Beautiful keyboard. This is the special hinge. Watch the magic. It actually rolls out like a carpet. You see how it comes forward? And what it does is it makes the bottom longer and ultimately heavier than the top, so you can have it like this and it's not going to tip. This is the special button. Oh, ta-da! And I can do this. In place. This is pretty awesome. This is Microsoft's first laptop ever, and we're going to test it out together.